manager was there. Remember the sign-in was recorded. Remember the money where you're talking about, the legal team, are out of my money, it forward. Because
subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Greetings and blessings, my viewers and subscribers. You don't know, so the attacking boss, they are the one and only NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. Trinidad massive. Tobago massive, the whole Trinidad and Tobago, on behalf of Vybz Kartel and the whole Vybz Kartel team, me myself, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, I say, yo, I'm sorry for the disappointment, because I know so thousands of you disappointed right now. We never get the chance to see Vybz Kartel and him return show to Trinidad and Tobago. That was slated to be yesterday, May 31st, my people, 2025. The show still go on, but what? There was no Vybz Kartel, my people. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So a lot of people have been disappointed, a lot of people have been upset, a lot of people mad.
I not listen to me. You can't tell me I pay $3,000 to see fucking Lady Lava. Fuck away. You can't. It is not carnival time. You can't tell me I paying $3,000 to see fucking Ravi B. I'm pretty. You dig? Kartel not coming, it's Kartel was the main show, you know. Molly and Chronicle on them, we are accustomed seeing them for 500, and we are accustomed seeing Molly and Chronicle for 500, $1,000 for the most, that'll be the VIP. 5,000 was for Kartel, and now the man not coming. We walk with fucking, no. Boy, tell Jacko we walk some kind of fucking money, boy. Them is smart man, boy. Oh, you see tonight, that's why rain falling. Tonight gonna be a pool party. Oh yeah, why if you all are rain falling today? Tonight the 7th gonna be a mud party. If you leave for the beach, you have to reach. Summertime in the mud, I come from tonight. The fucker. Jacko, you wicked mud, I can't like you. Oh God, just pay the man. Or what the man do it. Watch out. You ain't see the carry Molly down on the radio show? Molly down carry him fucking talk properly on the radio show. Now what do you say? You can't even fucking talk properly on the people radio fucking show.
You cannot believe, say on the day, the final hours, the final minute, the world boss, boom, is not at the show. Oh my world, oh my patience, NEWLINK. Some people really and truly on a Vybz Kartel fault. It don't have nothing to do with Vybz Kartel and him management and him team. No joke about it. So let me hear what Vybz Kartel have to say about him not being in Trinidad for the show.
promoter for the Trinidad show. Remember years me know you. Remember when you forward initially for the show. My lawyer was there. My manager was there. Remember the sign-in was recorded. Remember the money where you're talking about, the legal team, are out of my money, it forward. Because remember your ball, and I say, TJ, me know him long time, give him a blind. TJ reluctantly give a blind. You miss deadline after deadline. Me beg for you, I say, TJ, give him a blind. You bring me now in a loggerheads with the government of Trinidad. Me never tell you someone do no school. My job is to perform for the people. Me's an entertainer. I get paid to entertain. Remember, you know, you wanted to keep the show during Carnival. Me look for you, me say you can't do that. Don't mess with the culture. Carnival, Trinidad thing, make them do them thing. TJ tell if you don't do it. Angostura tell if you don't do it. Kartel tell if you don't do it. Countless people tell if you don't do it. You force the issue, till eventually you see say it can't work. So now you did want to bring me at loggerheads with the culture of Trinidad. Deadline after deadline, crying after crying. You just couldn't manage a Kartel show, and that you need to tell the people then. In a discussion. My only regret in the situation is that the Trinidad people are them you rob out of the chance to see Kartel after so many years. So I see me a positivity, me I deal with and good energy. So I apologize to the Trinidad people. Big up the government of Trinidad And I blame myself in some way because I should have known say and every promoter can manage Vybz Kartel. It takes a lot.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, you see some of them promoter here, let me telling you the truth. You see some of them promoter here, them are garbage. Big woman thing, them are garbage. Because even Mali, you know, the same girl, them Mali, you know, my people, from Ghana, who do a little thing there, you know what I mean, shake it to the max. She, in the last minute, is based on the same fact with the promoter, them fail to make preparations the people and deal with them contracting the real way. You understand? These people, you know what I mean? The musician, artists, they are brand. When you look into Vybz Kartel, my people, the biggest thing in the musical game right now, no joke, worldwide, internationally. And you as a promoter, you keeping a Vybz Kartel concert, you are going to make millions from it. You can't lose. Why you not just deal with things the right and proper way, my people? Why? But deep inside and told me I pray this thing, this promoter himself did have a plan, my people, for Vybz Kartel not be on this show. Like him have a plan, him prepare for something. Because when me say Vybz Kartel concert, I say how much artists them book for this concert, my people. You know what I mean? Me say deep inside, I know the promoter have a plan. Him have a plan. Him have a plan long time, my people. If you just use Vybz Kartel to make some millions. And that him do. So the Trinidad Massive and the Trinidad fans, you all should not be mad at Vybz Kartel himself. No, nor Vybz Kartel management and the team. You all should be mad at this promoter who fail to deal with things the right and proper way and take on the money. He is the one. You understand? Say if you know call on somebody for reimburse, you know, and go on back on the money, this promoter should be the one. It has nothing to do with Vybz Kartel. If you notice, since the people, Vybz Kartel are doing thing and I do everything, him always, my viewers and subscribers, deal with them thing the right and proper way because him have the right people around him who are dealing with them thing. When I talk about TG, my people, the manager for Vybz Kartel, them money are strictly businessman. You understand? Them money are dealing with the thing legit. If you look back and you go back to Costa Rica thing, you don't see what going on and the promoter himself do talk, say, you know what I mean, him fail to make certain preparations and them at fall for it, my people. See, the Trinidad promoter now want to forward like say him did other things and I push through things. My viewers and my subscribers, they, as I say, Vybz Kartel, he is a brand, the biggest thing in the game right now, my people. And this goes for any international act, any artist at all, my people. Once them go through the right and proper method, same way them go pull out same way. You understand? Other artists, as Mr. Promoter, have Sizzla on the show, him have Chronic Law, him have Mali, as I tell my people, him have Mali Dan. There's so much artists plus Trinidad artists to us on this show. So as I say, my people, Vybz Kartel, honestly, me just think say the promoter they don't have something in their head plan up, so Vybz Kartel now gonna be at the show. But as I say, people, Trinidad Massive, me sorry for what go on for me, so no feel bad, and more have to tell the Jamaican Massive them say, look here, stop this up Trinidad people, man. Me see some comments now say Trinidad people because this them mother and did that and the whole Trinidad this and that. Look here, Trinidad and Jamaica, we are one family. You see me? We are one. And we are not an enemy or nothing. What did I go on over there? Yeah? What government have to say about Vybz Kartel? Look here. And Kartel, if you hear Kartel said, what them did I deal with that was not in a promoter breed certain things and I do certain things, you know. Because if you have a contract and a contract slated certain way and certain demands, but the promoter try to fix things for him way. You understand? And I do this and I do that and I set up radio interview and this and that, which is not part of Vybz Kartel contract. So when I see the government them forward and attack certain things and I make it look like say they are being harsh on Vybz Kartel and like them the one cartel in Trinidad, it has nothing to do with Vybz Kartel and it's just the promoter who are trying to do things in another way that is not part of Vybz Kartel contract, my people. So this promoter was all fault from morning. If you draw back and you hear when Vybz Kartel, so remember this show, you know, was to be in the same period when Carnival did go on. You hear Kartel telling himself, we did see the backlash go on where whole heap of people knock out on that, and they were seeming to make it look like it is Vybz Kartel himself who do the show in those time, people, and it has nothing to do with Vybz Kartel. You understand? These promoters, people, want to do things for them way, and as the artists try to set certain things and put certain things straight, you know what I mean, they make it seem bad on the artists them. But this has nothing to do with Vybz Kartel himself, my people. See, these men are doing their work, my people. This is how the man live. The man do 13 years of prison, and expect the man to forward, and the man for just work under a certain way. You know, the man are trying best to help you know, work with the situation now. And number one, point blank, listen me, promoters, if you don't know, you don't have no money or no things put together, you don't know book Vybz Kartel. Straight up. If you don't know, say you don't have no money on the things well put together and prepared for the artists, look here, you don't book Vybz Kartel, because number one, if you're a broke promoter, you know, you can't afford Kartel. Zine, me I tell you straight up. Zine, so make sure you are going to book Vybz Kartel, you are get Vybz Kartel for your concert. You sure know it's a win game this, you know. It's a win game for you, you know. Zine, so as I say, if you know, say you don't have the money, and you want to make some money, don't try use Vybz Kartel to do it, brother. It don't make sense. That's going to make your brand look bad, and it's going to damage you. You see? You're not going to damage Kartel, you know? Because Kartel good. See? The man book out for the year already, you know? The man good. Just check the facts, the man, and check the statistics. Do the maths, the man? The man great. So my people, as Mr. Trinidad people, I hope so one real promoter, one real G, can forward and do the right thing. You understand? And even next year, so, you know what I mean? Or if something can go down in another year, I mean, you know what I mean? If Vybz Kartel, but hope you can get back a real concert because you deserve it. Vybz Kartel, Trinidad is one of the most, you know what I mean? Vybz Kartel, biggest fan base in the Caribbean, Trinidad and Tobago. So we don't know. Hope say, you know what I mean? Things can go on the people. But as I say, Trinidad massive, it has nothing to do with Vybz Kartel. Are the promoter. What I say? Are the promoter. My people, big up on yourself, more love, more respect, and more blessings. And thank you all for the love, for the support, for the like, the share, and every comments. I don't know, say one team, one dream, one scheme, one attacking boss. And just stay safe and just do the right thing, my people. Be good, be great, and be safe, man. Attacking boss, so that my people, and remember to do a subscribe, like, share, comments, and follow me on all social media platforms, my people. Instagram, Facebook, X, TikTok, Snapchat, NEWLINK production, my people. One team, one dream, one scheme, and a one attacking boss. NEWLINK said that. I'm out. Blessings.